Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need power and a backup before you wipe data. Make sure the Oppo A3S is at least 50% charged or plugged in. Once that's set, back up photos and contacts to your PC or cloud so nothing is lost. Now power the phone off, then press and hold volume down and power together to enter recovery mode. This is the doorway to reset tools. Keep holding until the recovery menu appears, because using the wrong entry can lead to a different boot option. Once in recovery, you navigate with the volume keys and confirm choices with power, so use them deliberately. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press Power to select. Then confirm the operation when prompted, because this permanently erases user data. The phone will run the wipe routine, wait patiently and avoid interrupting power or removing the battery. When it finishes, you'll typically see a Reboot System Now option. Select that to restart the device and apply the fresh settings. After the wipe completes, you should select Reboot System Now so the phone boots into a clean setup. This finalizes the reset. Make sure you know the original Google account credentials, because factory reset protection may request them during setup. That prevents unauthorized use. If the phone fails to boot or hangs, re-enter recovery and repeat the wipe. Or connect to a PC and use Oppo's recommended repair tool. These steps resolve most stubborn boot issues without data restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.